How much money do you actually need to start trading? $10, $100, $1,000? Or do you need a big account to make real profit? Most people get this wrong, and that's exactly why they lose money before they even begin. In this video, I'm going to show you the real truth. No hype, no fake promises, just reality. Let's start with the biggest myth. A lot of beginners believe they can start with a small amount and quickly turn it into big money. You've probably seen content like, turn $100 into $10,000. And yes, it can happen. But here's the truth. It's not realistic and it's not consistent. Trading is not about getting rich fast. It's about staying in the game and growing your account slowly over time. Now let's talk about what actually matters. The real question is not how much money you need. The real question is, how much can you afford to lose? Because when you start trading, you will make mistakes. You will take losses. That's part of the learning process. So your starting capital should be an amount that does not affect your daily life. If losing that money stresses you out, you're starting with too much. Let's break it down into simple levels. If you start with a small account, like $50 to $200, this is good for learning, but your profits will be very small. You cannot rely on this for income. If you have a medium account, around $500 to $2,000, now you can start applying proper risk management. You can grow your account steadily, but it still takes time. If you have a larger account, $5,000 or more, now things start to change. You can generate meaningful returns with the same strategy. So it's not about starting big. It's about growing step by step. Here's why most small accounts fail. People try to grow them too fast. They take high risk, they overtrade, they chase the market. And because the account is small, one or two bad trades can wipe everything. That's why discipline is more important than money. Without discipline, even a big account will fail. So what's the smart way to start trading? Start small, but focus on learning, not earning. Use proper risk management. Risk only 1% or 2% per trade. Keep a trading journal. Track your mistakes. Build consistency first, and only when you become consistent, then increase your capital. Here's something most people don't understand. If you cannot grow a small account, you will not be able to grow a big one either. Because the problem is not the money. The problem is the habits. So here's the final truth. You don't need a lot of money to start trading. But you do need patience. You need discipline. And you need the right mindset. Money doesn't make you a successful trader. Skill does. Focus on becoming a better trader first, and the money will follow.